is a yogic foot massage. I'll demonstrate to you the free roll, covering all the surface area of the foot to decrease the pressure, the pain, the stagnant energy, the tension, the holding, what no longer serves. I often provide yogic massages within my classes. This is a way to make you independent and to help you learn how to massage your own body. If you'd like to learn more, and specifically the profound energy points within the feet that can help relax the entire body according to reflexology, make your way on over to the Guest Bungalow and join our beautiful community. Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today, your electronic retreat center.